We're following breaking news from Southern California. This is a live look at Hollywood Hills, where a new fire broke out overnight. Wildfires in and around Los Angeles have left 5 people dead and destroyed 2,000 buildings.
It's unbelievable, the amount of fire activity going on. Eric's been following all the developments. He's in the newsroom. Eric.
Well, good morning. At least 130,000 people are now under evacuation orders in the Los Angeles area. This includes the orders from that newest fire burning in Hollywood Hills, which is not far from the famed Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Overnight, people gathered along the iconic Hollywood Boulevard to watch and wait to see what California's newest wildfire will destroy.
I actually started tearing up. It's really scary. I know it's scarier for people who lost their homes, but it's really scary to think that it's that close to us.
The devastation is widespread and heartbreaking. So far, fire has consumed at least 42 square miles, and with it, entire blocks of homes and businesses.
I don't even know the words to use. There's not even words that you could use right now. It's very bad.
5 fires are currently burning out of control in the Los Angeles area. One of the largest and most damaging in LA history is the Palisades fire just west of the city, with more than 1,200 structures burned. At least another 800 structures have also been burned to the ground in the LA area.
They're exhausted. We need those reinforcements coming in, but they've done incredible work.
Thousands of firefighters are working around the clock to try and gain the upper hand, but out-of-season Santa Ana winds are fueling the fires and threatening more homes and more lives. So far, 5 people have been killed, but officials expect that number to rise.
These are hurricane-force winds that are combined with extremely dry drought conditions.
The winds did die down a bit yesterday and this morning, and reinforcements from Northern California, Arizona, Oregon, even Navy helicopters are on their way. President Joe Biden yesterday in Santa Monica promising federal help.
We're prepared to do anything and everything as long as it takes to contain these fires and help reconstruct and make sure we get back to normal. It's going to be a hell of a long way.
Right now, survival is about the only thing on so many people's minds.
We've just been evacuated. We've just been evacuated from this Good Samaritan's car. You got it, Dad.
Families and strangers coming together to escape the fast-moving fires, ditching their cars and praying for one another.
We're the lucky ones. Our neighbors have been devastated and we're so sad.
In Pasadena, firefighters are also battling water issues and power outages. Regardless, the fire chief there said even without those problems, firefighters would not have been able to stop the fire due to the intense winds. Also, the NFL may move Monday night's playoff game between the Vikings and Rams, which is set to take place at SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles. If that does happen, they will play in Arizona. We're live in the newsroom. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.